new point, that is elimination reaction. First one is, what is meant by elimination reaction? The reaction in which removal of one group, two group or atoms is called as elimination reaction. For example, in general reaction, removal of hydrogen atom and halogen atom to form alkene. This reaction is called as elimination reaction. Removal of two group or atoms. First group is hydrogen and second one atom is halogen atom. Removal of two atoms, that is hydrogen atom and halogen atom, to form alkene as a major product is called as elimination reaction. In this reaction, first reaction we are studying dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation reaction. What is meant by dehydrohalogenation reaction? Dehydrohalogenation reaction means the reaction in which removal of one hydrogen atom and one halogen atom is called dehydrohalogenation reaction. This reaction is also called as beta elimination. Why this reaction is also called as beta elimination? Because in this reaction, the removal of alpha halogen atom and beta hydrogen atom, and that's why this reaction is also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. In general reaction, the compound is alkyl halides. It may be primary, secondary or tertiary. Dehydrohalogenation reaction, removal of one hydrogen atom and one halogen atom. This reaction is required base like NaOH or KOH in alcoholic medium to form the compound alkene plus water and potassium bromide. General reaction: breaking of carbon hydrogen bond, formation of carbon carbon double bond, and removal of halogen atom. Two groups or two atoms are removed in this general reaction. First one is hydrogen atom and second one is halogen atom to form alkene. This reaction is called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. Beta elimination, the halogen atom are bonded to that carbon atom. This carbon is called as alpha carbon, and the next one carbon is beta carbon. The removal of beta hydrogen, and that's why this reaction is called as beta elimination reaction. Example: consider the example ethyl bromide. I reacts with potassium hydroxide in alcoholic medium to form the compounds alkene. That alkene is called as ethene because the parent alkane is two carbon atom. It is also called as ethane. Parent alkene is ethane. In formation of alkene, the compound containing two carbon atoms, that's why is methane. In alkane, E, A, N, E are replaced by ENE, and the name of this compound is ethyl. Name of this compound is ethyl because two carbon atom in there. When this compound is primary alkyl halides. Suppose the alkyl halides is secondary. This type of compound, secondary alkyl halides are reacts with potassium hydroxide in alcoholic medium to form two compounds. First one is two compounds because two beta carbon is there. First one is beta carbon and this one is beta carbon. Its number is that beta 1, beta 2. First compound, the elimination of beta hydrogen, that carbon B1 carbon, beta 1 carbon hydrogen is eliminated. First product is there, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 CH3. This is first product. Second one product is formed elimination of hydrogen atom from beta 2 carbon atom. This carbon eliminate one hydrogen atom to form a product CH3 CH double bond CH CH3. Two compound is formed. When these two compounds, one compound is preferred compound, that is Saget rule. What is meant by Saget rule? In dehydrohalogenation reaction, the preferred product is that alkene to bonded more number of alkyl groups in their double bonded carbon atoms. It means that in this compound two alkyl groups and these compounds only one alkyl groups. It means that B product is more preferred than A. It is 80% compound for and 20% compound is A for. This is called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. Next reaction is reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. In this point, first reaction is reaction with magnesium metal. Reaction with magnesium metal. When alkyl halides in general reaction, when alkyl halides are reacts with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether as a solvent, dry ether as a solvent to form alkyl magnesium halides. To form alkyl magnesium halides. This alkyl magnesium halides complex is also called as Grignard's reagent. Is called as Grignard's reagent. When alkyl halides are reacts with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether as a solvent to form alkyl magnesium halides or Grignard's reagent. This reaction is general reaction. For example, if R group may be CH3, C2H5, C3H7. Consider example CH3, CH2, Br, hydrogen as bromine. Ethyl bromides are reacts with magnesium in presence of dry ether to form ethyl magnesium bromide. To form ethyl magnesium bromide and these compound used as a Grignard's reagent, or this compound is called as ethyl magnesium bromide. Reaction with metals. First reaction we are already studied. Reaction with magnesium metal. Alkyl halides are reacts with magnesium in presence of dry ether to form alkyl magnesium halides. Second one is reaction with sodium metal. Reaction with sodium metal. When alkyl halides are reacts with sodium metal, alkyl halides are reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, to form higher alkane, and side product is sodium halides. In this reaction, two alkyl halides are necessary. When 2 moles of alkyl halides are reacted with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form higher alkane and sodium hydroxide. This reaction is general reaction. For example, methyl chlorides are reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form higher alkane, that is CH3 single bond CH3 plus sodium chlorides. This reaction is also called as Wurtz reaction. This reaction is called as Wurtz reaction. Two methyl groups are bonded to each other to form higher alkane. In this first reactant, only one parent alkane is present. In formation of compounds, there are two parent alkane. First is methane and second one is ethane. It means that higher alkane is formed, and this type of reaction is called as Wurtz reaction. The statement of Wurtz reaction is when 2 moles of alkyl halides are reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form higher alkane. This reaction is called as Wurtz reaction. Students, in next lecture we learn about new point, that is reaction of haloarenes. Thank you.